Hello, my name's Frank Newbold, interior designer and stylist, and today I've joined teams with Keepmoat Homes to offer my tips and tricks on how to make your new house a forever home. I'm a big advocate for the perfect night's rest, and with a few little changes you can really elevate the styling and comfort of your bedroom. So let's head upstairs and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect bed. So we're in the master bedroom at one of the 4-bed properties at Keepmoat Homes, and one of the really interesting features is the feature wall, and this is super easy to implement into your new home scheme. But what we've done here is take it that little step further by wrapping it round on the ceiling and return walls to really cocoon the bed space. We're going to start from the bottom up when making the bed. Start with your mattress, and then at home I like to introduce a topper. Mine is feather filled, but if you haven't got one, no worries. Pop your fitted sheet, your elasticated fitted sheet, and then we're going to go straight in with the flat sheet and pull that right to the top. So once you've placed the fitted sheet on the bed, I always like to do hospital corners. So you sweep the sheet right to the base, tuck it in tightly, and then just like you would with a Christmas present, you pull it to the side, flip the underneath under tight, and then pull it over so you get a nice crisp corner. And then you want to tuck the remaining sheet under the bed about 2/3 of the way up. So we're going to go straight on the bed with the duvet, and I've gone for a 10.5 tog filling. This is hollow fibre, which is good, it's anti-allergenic, and 10.5 tog is a good all year round filling, so not too hot and not too cold. You want to pull that right to the top, and then we're going to go straight on with this beautiful waffle bedspread, and you just want to drape that over the bottom half of the bed. What we're going to do next is pull down the duvet cover, and what you're going to do is create an S shape. So by pulling it all the way down and then back on itself again, you've got that S in the fold, and by doing this it kind of makes it look really luxurious and palatial and high, and when you are ready to sleep later on, when you lie in bed, you just pull the duvet cover up. The flat sheet that we did earlier, which is at the top of the bed, we're now going to pull down, and you're going to overlap the duvet like so and show that beautiful cord edging. And by doing it on both sides, it might take a bit of time to make it perfect, but just pull it back and get that nice crease along the fitted sheet. One of the areas of the bed that I think is always so overlooked is a good square pillow. Now, introducing these into your bed scheme just elevates it, and straight away you go from normal bog standard beds to hotel chic. And these are 60 by 60 centimetres. We've got the same bed linen that's matched to the flat sheet, and we're just going to whack those pillows on and give it a good shake to fill it out. These are great if you're kind of like sloping off to bed. I always love watching Netflix on the iPad, or if you're reading a book, these are the perfect support. So give that a good old shake, and we're just gonna prop that at the back, and if you pull it tight, your corners should stand up nice and sharp. Starting with your housewives, these are the ones without the border. I tend to sleep on my housewives because if you sleep on your Oxford pillowcases, the ones with the flap, they tend to crease throughout the night. So to make sure that your bed's kind of still looking sharp a few days after you've made it, sleep on your housewives and leave your Oxfords to dress on top. And you can see the lines on the squares, your Oxfords, and then on your flat sheet. It's all really cohesive in the styling. We've just got this really gorgeous, it's actually cashmere throw, which we're just going to kind of ruche and place over the bed. Got some fresh white tulips and a good book and candle. Paired that with an end of bed bench, which is always great. It elongates the bed and it's really handy for putting shoes on when you're getting ready. I've got a beautiful textured cushion, just gonna pop in the middle. That's my top tips for making the perfect bed. I hope that you've enjoyed those styling tips and tricks. Remember, when buying your new home, you don't need to buy everything straight away. Take time in curating different pieces, and together with layering textures, colour blocking on walls and layering different pieces, you can make your Keepmoat home a truly original space. Make sure that you like, subscribe to Keepmoat Homes and pop any questions in the comment space below.